We take bar. I'll take subcategory. I'll say sales, and I'll take profit also. So I'll go for bar chart. In bar, I do have option that which you can we can have multiple. If you are working on two or more categories, you can use this stack chart. But currently, I'm not going for that. This is the option available, or you can go for this. If you want both the value to be there parallelly to be shown. So every data value means on each subcategory you are having sales and profit of yours. If you are looking to display like this, you can take a call. If this price is sufficing your requirement, so let me format this. I'll make this vertically so that I can read the access. So this is my, and accessories can also be there, which you think you can make it more readable. You can utilize the formatting options. So I'm saying the accessories, sales and profit are likewise. So as you wish, you can plan the things.